Hey there, welcome back to Away Education. I am Gundeep Singh and today we are going to talk about a very important topic for international students, which is about how can they find part-time jobs and what are the part-time jobs available for international students once they start pursuing career outside India. As an international student, one of the major concerns you may have is finding a part-time job that fits in with your study schedule and allows you to earn some extra cash. In this video, you will explore different types of part-time job opportunities available for international students. Number 1. On-campus jobs are part-time job opportunities available to students who are enrolled in a college or university. These jobs can be found in various departments within the university such as the library, administrative offices, dining halls, gymnasiums, and research centers. On-campus jobs offer a great option for students who want to earn extra money without leaving the campus. Internships are another excellent opportunity for international students to gain work experience while studying. Internships are temporary positions offered by organizations to students and recent graduates where they can gain practical work experience in their chosen field of study. Internships are an excellent opportunity for international students to enhance their resumes, acquire new skills, and gain valuable work experience. Internships can vary in duration from a few weeks to several months and can be full-time or part-time. Internships can be paid or unpaid depending on the organization's policy. But many employers provide some form of compensation such as a stipend or academic credit. Off-campus jobs are also available for international students. Off-campus jobs are part-time job opportunities available to international students that are not affiliated with a university or college where they are enrolled. These jobs can be found in a variety of industries such as retail, food service, hospitality, and healthcare. Off-campus jobs offer a great way for international students to earn extra money while gaining work experience in their field of interest. Government job portals. They can be a great option for international students as they often offer a wide variety of job opportunities, including part-time positions. However, keep in mind that some government jobs may require a security clearance or citizenship, so be sure to check the eligibility requirements before applying. USA Jobs is the official job site for the US federal government, so if you are an international student studying in the US, you can find part-time job opportunities with the US government through this site. Job Bank Canada is the official job site for the Canadian government and it includes job postings from employers across Canada. This site can be a great resource for international students who are studying in Canada. Government.uk Find a Job is the UK government's official job site and it includes job posting from employers across the UK. International students studying in the UK can use this site to find part-time job opportunities. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to stay up to date with more study abroad related content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.